What is up, everybody? Today we'll be opening a box that has been sent to us, and as you can see, I put up my new playmat. Let's have a look at it. You got a Charizard, Snorlax, Gengar, Dragonite, Gyarados, Mewtwo, Mew, Magikarp, Lucario, Umbreon, Glaceon, and you've just got a bunch more, Slowpoke, Charmeleon, and the best Pokemon in the world, the beautiful Psyduck. And here's the Rayquaza, the only legendary that can win a fight against Rayquaza. Dun 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 dun. I meant against Arceus. Why did I say that? Rayquaza is the only legendary that can win a fight against Rayquaza. So let's get this open as quick as we can. I hate when people package stuff, they always make it so hard to open. Alright, there's a bunch of cards in here actually. Pretty good amount. Ooh. Okay guys, I'm gonna call this stack A and this stack B. I say we go through stack A first because it's the first letter of the alphabet. Okay, don't think there's any black pulls in here, but let's see. Cramorant, Sailor, I've never seen that Pokemon actually. Charmeleon, Snuckle, Charmeleon, Electric, Justified Gloves, Misha, Metapod, Pokemon Catcher, Red Bull, Goodcraft, Letang, Odpal, D-Rose, Sableye, Carolus, Kakuna. Don't know these names, so I'm just not going to pronounce them. Nuzleaf. Okay, so guys, stack A, I nearly forgot. There's nothing really that good in here, but I see we got a nice sleeve here. Oh, more than one card in the sleeve. We'll get through this. Oh, the nice Mewtwo sleeves. I really like that. This is from Sugar Base. Alright, now we'll go through this next. You see there's more than one card in here. Lollipop, Shogun, Stormy Mountains, Hydra, Spirit Mask, Full Face Guard, Ice Cube, Shelgon, Rhyhorn, Skiploom. Okay, stack A didn't have any, and we'll make this stack C, A, B, C, because that's what it does. It's funny, well, it's not really a stack, but I'd say it kind of is, you know, because there's more than one card. Put U's to the side, put U's together. This is actually a quite good amount of cards, and that's not even all the cards you got. Cosmog. This is not Cosmog, bro. This is more than just a Cosmog. Alright, let's get these out. Here we are. I think these are all celebration cards. Okay, nice Mewtwo sleeve right there. I'm gonna sleeve up some cards in that. Sorry, card trick. There's only 5 cards in here. Ooh, nice. Not nice. Ooh, I just noticed this is a holo. Nice. I like these. Yeah, and we're also going to do a big opening on Christmas. And right after this, I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm going to name every single Pokemon in here.
You already done that.
I really like this Cosmog, and I also really like this Groudon, and you can just see that I really like them all. These are actually fire, these ones. So especially this one. It's literally fire. Alright, now let's get to naming every single Pokemon in there. I'll put all of these cards aside. Put them in my collection later after. But I like I really like the way how they got stored. You know, little packing peanuts to the side so they don't like fall around. Yeah, and so this was actually sent in as fan mail from the Pokey Logo. I still really like this sleeve. Alright, now let's start from the top and work our way down making these Rayquaza, Lapras, Charizard, Snorlax, Dragonite, Gyarados, Mew, don't know that one, Gengar, Venusaur, Blastoise. I can't even see which one that is. Oh, that's the Chum. I can't even see who that is. Oh, I think that's a part of Blastoise. Vaporeon. No, that's not Vaporeon.
Isn't that one
That is Vaporeon.
That's Eevee?
That's Vaporeon. That's Flareon. That's Jolteon.
Which one's Eevee?
I don't
Oh,
know.
Eevee.
There's an Eevee. There's an Eevee. Vaporeon, Flareon, Jolteon, Charmeleon, Bulbasaur. Can't see that. No, that's from Blastoise. Leafeon, Pikachu, Pika, Raichu, Psyduck, the best Pokemon in the world. Ditto, forgot the name. Meowth, Eevee, Sylveon, Clefairy, Charmeleon, Waterturtle. Don't have that. Slowpoke, Umbreon, Lucario, Magikarp, Mew, Glaceon, and why did I forget the name? Sylveon? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the. I keep forgetting the names. Alright. So that's going to be a wrap for this video. So I hope you will subscribe to my channel and leave notifications and make sure to share with your friends so they can subscribe. Did I miss one? Go to Charizard. No, Rayquaza. Go to Rayquaza, bro. Go to Rayquaza.
Right.
And that's going to be a wrap for this video. See ya with Snorlax. Or Rayquaza.